This is the vending machine at the Cocoa, Florida Walmart in Cocoa, Florida.
We're planning on getting a cherry Coke.
Alright. You operate the flashlight.
Now we operate the camera while you get it? Or?
Yeah, you can operate the camera since this camera has a hard time focusing. You operate the camera.
The camera is okay with focusing as long as you're steady with it.
Alright.
And then we go
into the vending machine. Take a look at the
doors, and we're going to get that. And there it is.
This video is being done on the camcorder. So, we'll go ahead and put the soda down, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the selection.
Well, we've got the Pepsi machine, which has Mountain Dew, Brisk, Dr. Pepper, and Diet Dr. Pepper. More Mountain Dew, Diet Pepsi, and Pepsi. And here, of course, we have the water, iced tea, grape, orange, Sprite, Coke, Diet Coke, and Cherry Coke. And here we have Sun-Kissed Grape, Sun-Kissed Orange, 7-Up, RC Cola, Sun-Kissed Pineapple, which is not too bad, Sun-Kissed Lemonade, A&W Root Beer, a classic, Hawaiian Punch, and Canada Dry. And for the final machine, we have Mr. Pibb, Coke Zero, Coke, Mellow Yellow, Fanta Strawberry, which I don't particularly care for, Pink Lemonade, and more water.
Alright, so you know what that means? We're going to go ahead and stop the camera and get this uploaded to YouTube, so that's it and goodbye. Now
that's it and goodbye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, and that's it and goodbye. And thank you.